What's going on, guys? My name is Carl from Techademics, and today I'm going to show you how you can open a specific file with a certain program. So just a quick one really. I made this video earlier, so every time I go to open it up it uses the Windows 10 movers, the movers application for films and TV, but I don't want to use that because I don't like it, it's slow and it just doesn't feel as flexible. So I'm going to change that now. If I right click and I go to open with, I want to open it in Windows Media Player, but the next time I open the app it's not going to use Media Player. So to make it use that all the time, I'm going to go to choose another app, and then I'm going to choose Windows Media Player. I'm going to make sure I tick this box so it always opens MP4 files with the Media Player. Then I'm going to click OK, and then yet again, as you can see, it's opened this video and it's basically going to open in Windows Media Player every time, just like so. So if that was useful, please leave a like and share it with someone that may find it useful as well. If you have any questions or comments, just leave them below and I'll reply to you as soon as possible. So thanks for watching and enjoy the rest of your day.